Namaste. I've been asked as to why I'm promoting education in Germany. Well, I'm headquartered in America and I'm also here on a voluntary basis, to support Indian students who come here. But coming to America is a very, very expensive affair for all these students. Germany is the only country in the world that is offering free to affordable education for the students, with 427 universities, and out of which 85% of the universities are offering 100% scholarship. So this is one of the biggest reasons. The second is that Germany is still an industrial giant. So whenever a student is studying or passing out of a university in Germany, he or she is bound to get a job, because there are more than 7,500 German companies that are having a base in India, and so many still wanting to come to India, and so many more companies hiring Indian students. So that is the second biggest thing about Germany. Now, about what I do. I'm in this field for the last 19-20 years, and the first 10 years of my life I have been the head of the German Organization for Research in Higher Education, that is called DAAD, Deutscher Akademischer Austauschdienst. And I've been the head of the first rather Indian but a non-German to become the head for the entire western region of India. And as you know, IIT Madras is started by German funding, so there is a lot of German interest in India, and we used to work at a lot of top tier organizations. In 2011, after spending a decade working with the German organization, I realized that the deserving student, which is very talented, but middle class or lower middle class, who's talented, need not be into IIT. He or she can be from any institution, and if he or she is passionate enough, can work towards going abroad and realizing his or her dreams. So started the journey of ECS, which is Exponent Consultancy Services, where we are catering to students at bachelor's, master's, PhD, and also at the postdoctoral level. The webinar that I conduct for every student who is wanting to go abroad, for every institution, is free. It's pro bono, and this is my social service to the society, that students should have an informed choice, because most of the time students do not have an informed choice, and they are just driven by money crazy consultants who take a lot of money as commission from the universities, foreign universities, to send these students there. We do not charge any kind of commission. We do not take any kind of commission from the universities, because we think it's immoral. So when being at the German government level, they do not give so much information. Here we are giving a lot of information in the webinar, and therefore more than 250 universities of higher education from India, all the way from Shimla to Hyderabad and from Odisha to Ahmedabad, are inviting me to give informed choice to the students, and this webinar is pro bono. The government of higher education of Shimla government has also executed one such webinar in the third quarter of last year for the people of Shimla. So whenever an organization organizes such a webinar, it's always beneficial for the government also, because they're getting this information free. And at the same time, it is well researched and it is accredited by the ambassadors, the German ambassadors, and this information is not available online. So you're getting all of this information free of cost for your students, for your people or students to have an informed choice. And thereafter, if they choose to go further ahead, they can register with ECS, where there would be a charge, because it's a 10-month process and international experts are retained for their work. So this is the benefit that you can get out of having this webinar. Let me know if you have any questions, and all the details are also provided in the email with the various attachments. Thank you.